Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to copy trade on Bybit. For that, launch your Bybit mobile application and here on the home page you need to tap on the more option. This will land you on the services page where you need to use the search bar in the top and search for copy trading. Now we have the two options. First is of copy trading and the second one is copy trading pro. So in this video I'm going to give you the insights on the copy trading option. So you just have to simply tap on copy trading and then it will redirect you on this page where you will be able to see the top traders of today. It will also show you some of the picks so you can try to copy them from here. So let's say it has given me this daily picks and the user whom I can copy. So in order to copy them, you just have to tap on the copy now option and then enter the amount that you want to start copying with. After that, you just have to press the confirm button and this way you will be able to start copy trading someone else's trades on Bybit. So I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.